Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a handy feature on iPhones, recovering recently deleted messages. Have you ever accidentally swiped away an important text? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Luckily, iPhones offer a way to get those messages back, as long as it hasn't been too long. In this video, we'll walk through the steps on how to see and recover recently deleted messages on your iPhone. Alright, let's grab your iPhone and open the Messages app. Now, on the main screen where you see your conversations, look to the top left corner. If you see an Edit button, tap on that. If you see a Filters button instead, it just means you have message filtering turned on. No worries, the process is almost the same. Tap on Filters instead. Once you've tapped Edit or Filters, a new menu will appear. Here, scroll down until you see an option that says Show Recently Deleted. If you don't see Show Recently Deleted, it means you either haven't deleted any messages recently, or they've been gone for more than the recovery period, which is currently 30 days. Now that you've tapped Show Recently Deleted, you'll see a list of conversations that you've recently deleted messages from. To recover messages from a specific conversation, simply tap on that conversation. To recover a single message, tap the circular checkbox next to that message. To recover all messages from the conversation, tap the Recover button at the bottom right corner. A pop-up will confirm your selection. Tap Recover Messages to finalize. Remember, you can only recover messages that have been deleted within the last 30 days. After that, they're permanently gone. Also, this feature only works for messages deleted within the Messages app itself. If you deleted messages through a third-party app, you won't be able to recover them this way. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can easily retrieve messages you might have accidentally deleted on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching!